boop beep bop beep beep bop bop boop beep boop beep bop beep boop beep wow.
I think the crazy kids are coming into town. For real? Ya heard.
Yo, I'm a living gumball machine. Enter the money and I'll give you a prize.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boo 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 boo. I give out some candy. It is my great prize.
But that's me.
Candyman cries.
Yeah. KO from King Sassy. King Day Day, aka Save the Replay.
Yo, out at 253. KO's 2 falls, -3.
Ain't nobody catching me.
Oh, yeah, I fell off a tree.
But I was stung by a bee.
Then I got a cast on my knee.
Then I said hello to Lee.
Yodel-lada, leedle-lada, weedy-lada-dee.
Yummy.
Jiggly, wiggly, makes me get all giggly. It's the jiggly, wiggly, jumpy dance. If you're feeling happy, shake your pants. Clap your hands and touch the ground. Arch your back, jump up and down. Cut the song. It's like Girls Gone Wild over here. You gotta do something about those things. Okay. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. Could somebody get Dave a cigarette or something? Maria, did I mess up my choreography, Mr. Van Peebles? No, you didn't, Maria. It's just, has your mom talked to you about, becoming a woman at all? No. Yeah. Well, did you give her the note I sent you home? Yeah, she bought me a deodorant stick. That's a start, I guess. Maria, I don't know how to say this. The Fun Friends Club is a club for children. And one very ridiculous dragon. Yeah, one ridiculous dragon. But soon you won't even want to be on the show. You'll want to be talking on the phone with boys and go to the mall with your friends, be hanging out with them, and shave your legs. No way. I want to stay here in the Giggle Gulch forever. Okay, let's do the What Do You See song, okay? Let's play What Do You See? Hey, what do you see? I see a bird, show it to me. Hey, what do you see? I see a river, show it to me. Hey, what do you see? I see balloons, show it. Cut.